Namaskar and welcome once again to our channel Nishi से Learning. First of all, दिवाली की सबको हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. Today we are going to start with this textbook, Sanskrit Standard 6, Semester 1, Gujarat State Board of School textbook. It is for Gujarat State Board for School textbooks. Gujarat State Board of School textbooks. So today we are starting with this. The first chapter in this is Vandana. So Vandana means prayer. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwarah, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Vakratunda Mahakaya, Surya Koti Samaprabha, Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva, सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. नमस्ते शारदे देवी वीणा पुस्तकधारिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि प्रसन्ना भव सर्वदा. फर्स्ट चैप्टर जो है वो वंदना है. इट इज डेडिकेटेड टू आवर गुरु. Then the second Vandana is dedicated to Ganpati Bappa and the third one is dedicated to Saraswati Ma. So the students must learn by heart, understand the meaning, and also should learn the glossary which has been given. So we will move to our next chapter, that is Chitrapadani 1. Actually, the original chapter starts from this. Okay, so let's begin with our session. Yes. Now we will start with our chapter Chitrapadani 1. Chitrapadani means we are going to, as you can see here, there are many pics in this. Okay, so there are many pics in this. First one is Vrushabha. In this chapter, or you can say these first four chapters, that is Chitrapadani 1, 2, 3 and 4 has been given to you to understand or to learn by heart the words. So we can be much familiar. Okay, so यहाँ पे पहले हमें जो भी शब्द दिए हैं वो हमें याद करने हैं, लिख के उनको प्रैक्टिस करना है. जैसे उनका जो भी मात्रा है, उनके जो भी रुकार है, वो सब हमें वैसे के वैसे ही लिख के प्रैक्टिस करने हैं. जैसे वी आर मच फैमिलियर दैट यस ये ऑक्स है, ये डोंकी है, बट वैसे ही हमें संस्कृत में इसको फैमिलियर बनाना है, तभी जाके हम लोग आगे इनका ज्यादा से ज्यादा हम लोग इनको फैमिलियर कर पाएंगे. सो फर्स्ट इज वृषभः. हाउ यू विल प्रोनाउंस इट एज वृषभः. वृषभः. Vrushabha means, you can see clearly here, it is ox, an ox. Vrushabha means an ox. Second is Gardhabah. How you will pronounce it? Gardhabah. Write each word 5 times so that it will be by hearted also and practice में भी आ जाएगा. Okay, so you will not find it difficult because first time only you are learning Sanskrit. Second is Gardhabah. Gardhabah, as you can see here, it is donkey. Third is Meshah. Meshah. Meshah means sheep. You know sheep. Meshah means sheep, from which we get wool. Okay. Then fourth is Nakulah. Nakulah. You must have heard the story of Nakulah and farmer, मतलब मुंगूस और फार्मर की स्टोरी आपने सुनी ही होगी कि कैसे मुंगूस स्नेक से उसके बच्चे की जान बचाता है. नकुलह. You must have seen Nakulah in your farms as well. Nakulah means mungus. Then next is Mayurah. Mayurah. How you will pronounce? यहाँ पे ये जो U है, that is U को उकार है, वो दूसरी है. So you will stretch that U. So next is Mayurah. Rah. जो आगे 2 डॉट्स है, अनुस्वार है, सॉरी विसर्ग है, उसको तुम लोग क्लियरली प्रोनाउंस करोगे. मयूर इज रॉन्ग, यू हैव टू प्रोनाउंस इट एज मयूरह. मयूरह मीन्स peacock. Mayurah means peacock. Okay. The next is kakah. You can see here the next is kakah. Kakah means crow. Clearly it is seen. Kakah means crow. When next time when you see the crow in your locality, जब आप कभी भी crow को अपने एरिया में, अपने लोकेलिटी में देखोगे, don't say it as a crow or कौवा, say it kakah. Means you can use these simple words in your day-to-day or daily life conversations as well. Okay, nakulah, mayurah, kakah. Then talah. Talah. तालह मीन्स लॉक. ओके, जो घर की रक्षा करता है, तालह, उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं संस्कृत में, तालह. देन नेक्स्ट इज दीपह. दीपह मीन्स दिया. दिवाली है, सब लोग अपने घर पे मिट्टी के दिए जलाए होंगे, तो अभी डोंट से लाइक दैट, से दीपह. हम लोग दीपह लगा रहे हैं, दीपह. देन नेक्स्ट इज घटह. व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट? घटह, मटका. Then next is sarpah, reptile, but be specifically we can say it is a snake. Sarpah. What is this? Sarpah. Sarpah means snake, Daravna. Makarah. Makarah means crocodile. Makarah. Makarah means crocodile. Mandukah. When you see mandukah, mandukah, rainy seasons may we can hear their sounds, we can see mandukah, that is frog in rainy seasons. So from Vrushabah, that is from Vrushabah up to mandukah, all these words you need to learn by heart, practice well along with writing. And if you see carefully, all these words are having visarga at the end. So all these words are pullinga, they are masculine in nature. Okay, so just try to understand. They will not ask in exam whether they are feminine, मतलब pulling है या स्त्रीलिंग है, but for your extra information I am telling you that ये जो सभी words है ये पुल्लिंग है. Okay, and in Sanskrit for pullinga we give those 2 dots. Now let's move to Chitrapadani 2. In your textbook it is given as Balika, but also Kanya. Balika. Balika means a girl. Kanya also you can say. Then second is Utpithika. Don't say Utpithika, it's Utpithika. Okay. Second is Utpithika. Okay, means table. Third is Lata. Lata means whale, creeper. Lata. Then fourth is Sthalika. Sthalika means plate, जिसमें तुम लोग खाना खाते हैं. So next time when you say, please pass me on the plate, you can say Sthalika, please give me Sthalika. Sthalika means a plate. The next is Pushpadhani. 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 Pushpa means flowers and dhani means vase. So it is basically a flower vase. Shatika. Shatika, beautiful saris. Shatika. In Sanskrit, Shatika means a sari. Okay. So ask your mother, which is your favorite Shatika? Shatika means a sari. Then next is Ghati, जो हमें टाइम बताती है. Ghati, Ghati. Okay. Next is Chataka. It must be coming in your gallery. Chataka, keep them for sparrows. Chataka means sparrow. So sparrow जब आती है हमारे गैलरी में, उनके लिए प्लीज खाना रखिए, पानी रखिए. Okay, Chataka, Nadi, a river, Nadi. How you will pronounce it as Nadi. Chulli, Chulli, जिसपे अभी भी खाना बनाते हैं कोई लोग, ये पुराने जमाने में बहुत यूज होते थे, चुल्ली. देन पेटिका, पेटिका जिसमें हम लोग वैल्यूएबल थिंग्स रखते हैं, पेटिका. व्हाट इज इट? पेटिका. कुंचिका, तालह एंड नाउ इट इज कुंचिका, means a key. Kunchika, kunchika. Okay, a key. Now if you can see here in Chitrapadani 2, all these words are feminine. Kanya, Utpithika, Lata, Pushpadhani, Shatika, Sthalika, Chataka, Nadi. All these are strilingi words, or you can say feminine. Now third is Chitrapadani 3. Ratnam. First is Ratnam. कोई भी एक ज्वेल या डायमंड. ओके, सो उसके लिए तुम लोग बोलोगे रत्नम. द नेक्स्ट इज छत्रम. छत्रम, very unique word and also easy to remember. Chatram, an umbrella. Third is pushpam. Pushpam, a flower, and a flower vase is pushpadhani. Pushpam, Chatram, Ratnam. Urukam, Urukam, a pant. So कोई भी पैंट हो यूनिफॉर्म की या फिर नॉर्मल, so you can say your mom, please give me my urukam, my favorite urukam. The next is dhanam, which is very important also. So the next is dhanam. Dhanam means money. Urukam means pant. Ustakam, ustakam, book. Books are very important in life. You must read them regularly. Pustakam, pustakam means book. All these are singular words. Lashunam, lashunam, garlic. Lashunam. Sivana yantram, Sivana yantram, swing machine. Okay, Sivana yantram. Okay, Sivana yantram. How you will say this swing machine? Sivana yantram. Vimanam. All love aeroplanes to watch. Most of the students ने travel भी किया होगा. विमानम, एरोप्लेन, विमानम. सीवन यंत्रम, मशीन, सिलाई की मशीन. लोकयानम, लोकयानम, it is for peoples, and yanam means vehicle, the vehicle which is for peoples. So lokayanam, a bus, a traveling bus. Krishna falakam, though it is green over here, ये board फिर green दिया है, पर Krishna means black, so black board. Krishna falakam. What is it? Krishna falakam. Yes, in your textbook they have given a black only. Krishna falakam. Shakatam, a very different word. Shakatam. Shakatam means bullock cart. Shakatam, bullock cart. So in Chitrapadani 3, these all words, Ratnam, Chatram, Pushpam, Urukam, Pustakam, Sivanayantram, Vimanam, Shakatam, all these are neutral words. Napunsakaling hai ye sab. Now in Chitrapadani 4, we will see what words are there. So Masi Patram. But in your textbook it is not given. So first is Ankani. Ankani means pencil, which you use in your school. Ankani. Okay, Ankani. Second is Grantha. Grantha, a novel, कोई भी ग्रंथ हो, महाभारत, रामायण. Abhushanam. Abhushanam, jewelry. Okay. Then Karadipah, torch. Karadipah. Chamasah. Chamasah means spoon. Chamasah. Then Lavitram. Very different word. Lavitram. Lavitram means sickle. गार्डनिंग का टूल है ये, गार्डनिंग के लिए यूज होता है. चमसः लवित्रम. Avakarika. Avakarika means dustbin. We should throw all the waste into dustbin only. Don't throw here and there. Avakarika. Avakarika means dustbin. Sanchika. Sanchika. You must be seeing this Sanchika in offices, in your schools, even at your home. That is file, collection. Sanchika. Sanchay. संचिका. पीपीलिका. पीपीलिका. चीटी. एन एंट. काटती है तो बहुत दर्द होता है. पीपीलिका. पीपीलिका. पहला पी you have to pronounce it short and second is long. Pipilika means an ant. Ganana yantram. Nowadays students use this to calculate. Calculator, but don't use that. Ganana yantram. Ganana yantram, calculator. Droni. Everyday purpose we store water in this. Droni. Pinjah, bell. Bell, okay. Pinjah. In Chitrapadani 4, you must have observed all the words are miscellaneous. That is, इसमें masculine भी है, नपुंसकलिंग words भी है, स्त्रीलिंग भी है. But in Chitrapadani 1, only masculine they have given. Into all the words are feminine, that is Strilingi. In Chitrapadani 3, all the words are Napunsakalinga, and in Chitrapadani 4, all the words are miscellaneous. So, as a duty of a student, you should every day read this word, learn by heart, write, learn to write it well along with their ukar, kana, etc. So let's meet in another session. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe.